Namaskar, dear students. Our second chapter of bio is how do organisms reproduce. Today we will study about the definition of reproduction, DNA, variation and types of reproduction. So let us see definition of reproduction, reproduction. The process of producing new organisms from the existing organisms of the same species is known as reproduction. Reproduction means production of new individual of their own kind. Like other essential life processes, nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, reproduction is not essential to maintain life of an individual. However, reproduction is essential for the continuation of life on the earth, addition of new species, replacement of dead organisms, transfer of variations from one generation to another generation. The basic event in reproduction is the creation of DNA copy and an additional cellular apparatus by the cell involved in the process. Now let us see what is DNA. Full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, and very important thing is that DNA is present in the nucleus. DNA, the reproducing organisms, parents create new individuals which are similar to each other and look similar to parents. This similarity occurs because of DNA, which is the blueprint of all basic body designs. It is present in the nucleus of cell in the form of condensed structure known as chromosomes. मालूम है आपको ह्यूमन बॉडी में कितने क्रोमोसोम्स हैं? वी हैव 46 क्रोमोसोम्स और 23 पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स. वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट topic is there known as gene. So genes are located on the chromosomes. With the help of biochemical reactions, cells build up copies of their DNA. Also, the DNA in the nucleus of the cell is the information source for making different proteins and cellular machinery of cell which makes up the different body design. So this is about DNA and DNA copying. Now next topic is variation. Variation means difference. I am giving you one simple example. आप और आपके जो ब्रदर सिस्टर हैं वो पूरी तरह से दे आर सिमिलर बट नॉट वेरी मच आइडेंटिकल. वो पूरी तरह से आइडेंटिकल नहीं होते. इवन दो ट्विन ब्रदर सिस्टर भी आइडेंटिकल नहीं होते. दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ वेरिएशन. वेरिएशन मीन्स एनी डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेल्स, इंडिविजुअल ऑर्गेनिजम्स or group of organisms of any species caused either by genetic differences or by effect of environmental factors. Thus, variation in a population are important for the survival of species. Types of reproduction. There are two modes of reproduction. Number one is asexual and another is sexual. Now let us see different characteristic of asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction common in unicellular organisms. Different characteristics of asexual reproduction. Rapid mode of reproduction. New individual produced are genetically identical. Single parent is required. No fertilization. We have studied in class 8 that fusion of male and female gamete is known as fertilization. So in asexual reproduction, because single parent is required, so no fertilization is there. In sexual reproduction, common in multicellular organisms, not a rapid mode of reproduction. new individual produce show variation. Two parents, male and female, are involved or required, and fertilization takes place. In the next video, we will study about different types of asexual reproduction. Thank you.